I'm experiencing different window coverings. I bought fabric to make it look good, but I have come to realize I need curtains to give me privacy at night and to provide insulation, since winters are getting colder every year. Started making the curtains, so kind of changed this around. This is sort of a new thing, new seating area. I'm kind of testing it out so that the dinette used to be here, and I put the table down. But the new curtains are here. I made these, which were, I bought these from the store, and they are insulated and blackout curtains, and it's been the freeze, so I kind of needed these. But I used the fabric that I bought and made a sash. And I'm going to be working on getting this, oh, yeah. So I still need hooks for the wall, as you can see. I hung these so that they were stopped right here. I was at the store yesterday and I found some, but anyway, that's going to change. Also, I'm thinking about putting the valance back up here, or whatever it's, the thing, the cornice, that box thing back up here, because the cold does escape the windows. And right here, this little spot right there, I can feel the cold air coming through. So at nighttime, I put them down, okay? So that's one kind of window curtain. That's the first one I made. And then I made this one. This I learned about on YouTube. Somebody did it. Maybe it was Pinterest. I'm not sure where I found it. But, watch. Ta-da! Cool. And then last night, actually, if you can see right here, I started taking this strip down. And I was watching TV and I did it. And I need to get a crud cutter and clean this up because it's sticky. So I did that. And, ooh, look at the sunset. Isn't that pretty? Very pretty. This, by the way, was kind of hard. So I got Velcro so I put Velcro on here, and I shopped for heavy duty stuff. This Velcro holds 5 pounds because this is kind of light. These curtains are heavier, so if you ever want to do this, kind of judge, how heavy the curtains are. So I put that on there, but then the Velcro came off again. Well, I had bought this little iron as a new iron to have in the trailer because the other one was big and bulky, and this little one is smaller. But it turns out this is to put appliques on t-shirts. So I thought, well, you know what? Let me use it for my Velcro. So I used this iron to iron on the other side so that the Velcro glue would be stickier, because the first time I pulled it off, the Velcro came with it. So stay tuned. We'll see if this works. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. But it looks good, right? Nighttime. Third window cover in my travel trailer is unique, and it's really easy to do. I cut the foam board and the fabric to match the size of the window. Then I used iron-on bonding paper to glue the fabric to the foam board. You can also use other things like spray glue. So that's how it looks like before. And here's a little footage of me creating it. Cutting out the fabric to match the size of the window. Laying the bonding paper on the back side of the fabric. Then ironing it onto the foam board. Ta-da! Looks a little wrinkled, but here it is after. Hope you enjoyed it.